Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see latest update come from QuillBot Paraphrasing tool and how many latest update comes here. You can see in the screen: paraphrasing, grammar checking, plagiarism checker, co-writer, summarization, citation generation, and so many. So how to use it and where exactly available such kind of new updated and how to use it. So let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here new tab and just simply type here QuillBot, enter. The first link is display here. I already put this link in same video description. You just simply click here. So look at this. This is a paraphrasing tool. Earlier just only this tool, but couple of days ago this line are automatically display here. Here several options come here like paraphrasing, grammar checking, plagiarism checker, co-writer, summarization, citation generation, QuillBot Premium, student resources, paraphrasing guide, blog, and here's 3 extension like a Google Chrome, Doc, and Word. How to add Google Chrome extension, Doc extension, and Word extension, I already make a video, and in this video description I already put those video link also, so you can watch and learn how to add Google Chrome extension, Doc extension, and Word extension. So I just simply copy one of the paragraph, and here standard we can see here QuillBot is a paraphrasing tool. We can paraphrase here. So this paragraph is really changed or not. The paraphrasing tools are rewards. Yeah, the total paragraph is meaning are same but structure is totally changed. We can see here fluency. So look at this, fluency also totally changed. Fluency as a original text comes here. QuillBot is a paraphrasing tool to reward restructure selected text machine learning. So QuillBot is a machine learning based tool that reward a restructure selected text. So meaning are same but total paragraph and total structure are changed. If you want like a formal, simple, creative, expand, and shorter, so you need to buy premium version. Premium version price is very cheap, not more than that. We can see here price like a selected your plan monthly $20, same annual like a 6 month $13.33, and you take annual package $100 and price is $8.33 per month. So my point of view, if you have budget, so you go with that like a yearly package, and you receive unlimited word, 7 writing model, 4 synonym options, 6,000 word summarization, 15 sentence processed at a one time, unlimited phrase word like this, and free options like here unlimited word 125 word only, 2 writing model, 3 synonym options, and here it's very small amount but you can use also free of cost. And here like this paraphrasing, this is a paraphrasing. Second one is a grammar checker. So here grammar checker, you can put it here your paragraph. If some grammar are not correct, so this platform are adding you as a grammar fix all error, automatically fix all error. 2 errors are displayed here like words are 49 words, and here paraphrasing automatically fix all error. Plain text, here we can see here plagiarism checker, but plagiarism checker point of view, you need to upgrade your plagiarism or your QuillBot. Co-writer options also available here. So you write here and your co-author writing you can open and save, search the project, and then upload here also. So here notebook, citation, analysis, analytic, paraphrasing, and summarization. Analytic point of view, how many colleagues come here, natural words, 0 minute of second, how much time you read this one, word, sentence, and paragraph. All analysis are displayed here. Summarization, you can put it here and summarize this particular word, so you can very easily summarize this particular text like within a summarization text come in 40 word, original is a 49. It's not big, but if you are putting here more than 2-3 paragraphs, so summarization is quite good. So you can use here as a URL citation generation using this one. QuillBot Prime, I already explained. Student resources point of view, QuillBot help to student success by enhance their writing and research ability. So here top institute are recognized for this particular resources like a paraphrasing, grammar checking, summarization, and citation generation. Here paraphrasing related guides line also available, blogs, how to use, what is the advantage, how example also available, benefit, how to use it, how to understand plagiarism material and compression. As an extension point of view, I already make a video how to QuillBot add on your Google Chrome and use it. Like here also I already install in the QuillBot in my dock extension, and here offline you can very easily install Microsoft extension also. You can visit on video description and watch those video also. If you are not able to buy this premium version, so you can contact the customer care here. You can write your name, email address in message, I am not able to get premium version. They are helping you for the subscription point of view. So guys, you can use this paraphrasing tool and enjoy your research. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.